Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Panasonic AA batteries. Yeah, okay. Now, I got these batteries not too long ago. These are brand new, but the ones that I'm using inside, I use this on several items, all small items like my kids' toys and remote control for several different things, like for the television or the clicker in my remote for my garage door, and even my little portable radio that I use. And that is the main product that really made me kind of impressed with the Panasonic batteries. Now, these aren't very expensive at all, and they come in a pack of 4. I got it in a pack of 4, and I have a radio that I use. I just listen to, and you can't plug it in. You have to use a battery, and I use it at my desk at work, and I have used that radio for a long time now. The radio takes 2 of these batteries, and it's very small. It's a very small radio, and I put my headphones on and I just listen to the radio. It's like talk radio, and I use it all the time, every day. And I've used these in there to power it. I mean, I had them in there and used the radio for probably going on a month, and it didn't falter. It did not fail. And I used the radio a lot. I mean, I expected those batteries to die real soon, For one, the batteries just did not cost hardly anything. Well, I mean, they weren't like crazy cheap, but cheap enough, And it just lasted. It was like they were recharging. I had a really good experience using them, and I've used them when I found that they worked very well on my radio. I pretty much used them for everything. Like I said, I used them for my remotes and my garage door remote, and remote control for my TV sets and things like that, and my kids' toys. And that is the real test of time right there. Because my kid, if he has a toy that takes a battery, he is gonna use it to death, and it is what it is. He will play with it constantly. So he has these like remote control cars and stuff that he uses these in, and it really works well. It stays strong. Batteries usually falter after a certain amount of time, and relatively speaking, these batteries have really done the job on the items that they've been used in. I was very happy, very impressed with how long they lasted, and I'm going to continue to use them. They only have been used with me on small items. I mean, I can't really even think of something that's kind of large that would take this size battery, but they're great. I actually use just one of these in a clock that I have on the wall at home and in my den, and I haven't changed that battery in probably 6 months now. It's really good. It really is good. Now, I'm not like a expert on how long batteries are supposed to last, or if any battery would have lasted just as long, but I just know that the batteries that I'm using, the items that I'm using with these batteries have lasted a really long time. And I've used batteries before, and I've had some falter way faster than these have. These are good. I'll continue to use these, and I'll recommend them. All right, we've been talking about the Panasonic AA batteries. Yeah. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.